Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials to enhance your experience with X. In today's video, we will walk you through a full guide on how to share your profile in X. If you want to showcase your X profile and connect with others, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. You can find the X app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, locate the account icon, usually represented by a profile picture or initials. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile. Step 3. On your profile page, look for the 3 stacked dots or a similar icon. Tap on it to access additional options for your profile. Step 4. Within the options menu, you should find an option labeled Share or a similar term. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Depending on the X version you're using, you will be presented with various options for sharing your profile. Choose the manner in which you want to share your profile, such as through a direct message, email, or social media platforms. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your X profile and connect with others who may be interested in your content or want to engage with you. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to share your profile in X. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.